Alright, welcome everybody to part one of the Operation Combination Guard City Customs. And first up we have Sparkride. Now Sparkride apparently it's like a redeco of of Groove, but with very, very minor changes. It's like to the deco, I think like virtually nothing. So here we have, so we tried to do that. So here we have one. And just to give you a comparison, here we have a stock Groove from Combiner Wars / Unite Heroes. And then it's like Unite Warriors. Yeah, Unite Warriors. And then here we have, it's like another one. And this one here was the same one with the Toyhax label customs. So one of the things it's like we did to sort of differentiate minimally from the other one is that we took the Toyhax labels, but we did not apply the blue ones. So you can see like here you have the blue labels, no blue labels, and that helps differentiate it a bit from the other one here, which is the complete stock one. Yes. So one of the other things about Operation Combination is that they didn't really bother to give any of the individual members like personalities or bios. So this guy is essentially a blank slate. So I figured just for the fun of it, I'd come up with my own personality / bio for him. So we have these guns here, which are part of the Matrix Workshop M46, which was designed for Defense Orb. So very interesting set, which we'll get into later on. But yeah. Oh yes, and also another thing we did, we added some minor gray paint on the side here, as you can see, just to break up some of the details, which was obviously not included with this version here. You can see it's just pure white. So, does this make it a custom elite? And it's very light, so I'm not sure if I should count it as such. But yeah. So anyway, yeah. So we have Sparkride. So let's get him transformed. So again, no personality. So one of the things it's like that I did for personality, I figured with a name like Sparkride and a part of a rescue team, let's say that he's like a master electrician, basically able to repair anything, restart generators, and all that sort of stuff. So that's his ability and powers on the team. Oh, yeah. So there's that. And for that reason, we gave him this Combiner Wars hand-foot gun with these treads, so that like they feel like they could be taser shots and whatnot. Make it out what you will. And so yes, oh come on, work with me. So there you have Sparkride, and again, minor decal there, and also added some little gray paint down the chest and some red there in the pecs, if you will, to help break it up a little bit. So very minor deco changes, just like the original, but I tried to make it a little bit more than just just say he's that, and he also has like the new weapons. So that's the end of part one, and stay tuned. It's like for the rest of the teams, if you will. So coming up next, we're gonna have safety, and it's like what's the other one? Safety and Street Star. Yes, safety and Street Star. All right, stay tuned.